Bass notes on piano. Before we study chords, knowing about bass notes is a good idea. The bass notes of the piano, often referred to as the fundamental or root notes, are the individual notes that form the foundation of scales, chords, and melodies. The bass note of a chord is crucial as it defines its fundamental pitch and harmonic structure. Relationship between bass notes and chords. Understanding the relationship between bass notes and chords is essential for grasping how they are constructed and function within music. These notes correspond to the keys on the piano. Understanding them is crucial for any pianist. What is a bass note or root note? The bass note or root note of a chord is the note upon which the chord is built. This note gives the chord its name and is the starting point from which the other chord notes are derived. Significance of bass notes. A chord's bass note or root note is essential as it establishes the chord's identity and function within a piece of music. Understanding how chords are built from their root notes and how these notes interact within progressions is fundamental for playing, composing, and analyzing music. How are chords formed? A chord is a combination of two or more notes played simultaneously. On the piano, chords are usually built from a root note and include other notes spaced at specific intervals above the root. The most common chords are triads, which consist of 3 notes. Chord construction. Chords are constructed by stacking intervals on top of the root note. C major. Chord. The root note is the starting note. Major third. 4 half steps above the root. Perfect fifth. 7 half steps above the root. Example. C major is a combination of C, E, and G notes. Root note is C. Major. Third note is E. Perfect. Fifth note is G. What are piano chords? Piano chords are groups of notes played together to create harmony. They form the foundation of many musical pieces, providing structure, support for melodies, and a harmonic context. Here's a deeper dive into the meaning of piano chords, their types, and their importance in music. Basic types of chords. Major chords. Structure: root note, major third note, perfect fifth note. Example: C major. C major chord is formed with C note, E note, and G note. The sound of major chords is bright, happy, and stable. Major chords are often used to convey positive emotions and a sense of resolution. Minor chords. Structure: root note, minor third note, and perfect fifth note. Example: A minor. A minor is formed with a note, C note, and E note. The sound of minor chords is sad, melancholic, and contemplative. Diminished chords. Structure: root note, minor third note, diminished fifth note. Example: B diminished. B diminished chord is formed with B note, D note, and F note. The sound of diminished chords is tense, dissonant, and unresolved. Diminished chords are often used to create a sense of suspense or tension. Augmented chords. Structure: root note, major third note, and augmented fifth note. Example: C augmented. C augmented chord is formed with C note, E note, and G sharp note. The sound is bright but slightly dissonant and ambiguous. Augmented chords can add an element of surprise or otherworldliness. Seventh chords. Seventh chords are divided into major seventh chords, dominant seventh, and minor seventh chords. Structure: major seventh chord. Major seventh chord is formed with root note, major third note, perfect fifth note, and major seventh note. Example: C major seventh chord. C major seventh chord is formed with C note, E note, G note, and B note. The seventh chord sounds smooth, jazzy, and sophisticated. Major seventh chords have a dreamy, relaxed quality. Importance of piano chords. Harmonic foundation. Chords provide the harmonic support for melodies, enriching the music and creating a fuller sound. Structure and progression. Chord progressions give structure to music, creating a sense of movement and resolution. Improvisation. Understanding chords allows musicians to improvise and create spontaneous music. Composition. Chords are fundamental in composing music, helping to build and develop musical ideas. Emotional expression. Different chords and progressions evoke various emotions, from joy and excitement to sadness and tension. Accompaniment. Chords are essential for accompanying singers and instrumentalists, providing a supportive background. Conclusion. The sound of piano chords can evoke a wide range of emotions and atmospheres. Piano chords are crucial for creating harmony and structure in music. By understanding different types of chords and their functions, you can enrich your piano playing, enhance your ability to accompany other musicians, and improve your overall musicality. A solid grasp of chords is essential for expressive and dynamic performances, whether you are playing classical, jazz, pop, or any other genre. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials.